Good morning. Welcome back to Noviland. It's another beautiful day in paradise. Today we've walked down the hill into the jungle. My neighbor's been kind enough to do a little bit of work down here. We're going to check it out. Sometimes in the summer this place gets too overgrown to come down. I try to keep at least the main trail mowed so I can get down here. Right now it's in really good shape. Of course, it's also dry as a bone. It normally passes for my pond down there is pretty dry. There's still a little pond, but not a lot. Not a lot. And there's zero rain in the forecast for a while. That's okay. So let's take a look. Yeah, it's still kind of overgrown. Looks more or less like the last time I came down here a couple weeks ago. But a new project has begun. Usually this ends right about here. However, my neighbor is building this bridge. And looking at it now, it's kind of curious. I could see he cut down a tree to do it. Put it back up over there. Possibly even used it underneath from the looks of it. So I could see some trees underneath the thing to help build this bridge. It's kind of cool. Thing is, when the rainy season does eventually happen, all this is going to come flooding back in. So we'll see how strong this bridge is that he's building over the winter. I guess we'll find out then, but if he builds it properly, it should be good for a while. Yeah, I'm not walking over it until I know he's finished it. So I think there still might be a little bit more work to do. But it's kind of cool looking. And it takes you into the back trails. Normally we've just sort of been walking down through the rocks and climbing back up. When it's dry, works fine. When it's not, it's really difficult and you just can't really get past it. So now we should be able to get past it. I've been talking to him about trying to rebuild the dock. That might be a bigger project than they're ready to handle, especially based on the looks of this little rickety bridge. And his intention is to drive his little 4x4 vehicle, or four-wheeler, whatever the thing is, over this so he could get to the back and go hunting to the far back trails and up the far back side of the hill, have a little deer stand and hunt in the hunting season coming up not too far from now. But it's kind of cool. I'm impressed, and what's left of the pond is through those trees. It's definitely low. In fact, I could even see that one tree that had fallen and is right up against here. I just don't necessarily have all the equipment to drag things way up the hill by myself. Need heavier duty equipment than what I currently have available. That's okay. I have fun traversing the paths, walking down here and enjoying the nature. Especially when you get cool paths that look like this. I love my place. You could hear some of the birds and bugs and morning dew and everything out here. Hear my neighbor's rooster back up on the hill. It's another beautiful day here at Noviland. Wish you were here.